Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you have ever stood at a scanner, fed in a massive, chaotic stack of mixed paperwork, and ended up with just one giant, messy PDF, you know exactly how frustrating it is to manually separate that file into neat, logical documents. Well, today, we are going to look at how artificial intelligence completely automates this whole shebang. We'll be focusing on a really elegant solution from the field of natural language processing, treating document separation as a sequence mapping problem. And to make this concrete, we're going to use a standard loan application as our prime example. Okay, let's dive into this. So how exactly does an AI take a continuous digital stream of images and figure out where one logical document ends and another begins? I mean, it sounds a bit like magic, right? But it actually relies on a highly structured framework. To solve this, the AI doesn't just look at a giant pile of pages and guess. It models the entire process sequentially. By reading the sequence of pages in order, it can map the raw visual and textual data into a perfectly organized file structure.
To really get how this works, we just need to briefly look at the theoretical math behind it. The system is fed a sequence of input pages. We call these our observations, or X. The AI's entire goal is to map this sequence X to a sequence of boundary labels, which we'll call Y. So every single page in the PDF has to be assigned one of four specific Y boundary labels. Here are the four states. First, you've got Start, or S, which is literally just the first page of a multi-page document. Next up is Middle, or M, for internal continuation pages. Then End, or E, for the last page of that multi-page document. And finally, Single, or SI, for a document that is entirely contained on just one single page.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. Let's see what those theoretical states look like in the real world. Imagine a bank receives a scanned batch of 5 pages from a local branch. These pages are scanned together as a single continuous PDF file, but logically, they contain completely different things. We're talking forms, financial records, identification, and letters. Our AI system has to parse these pages sequentially and output the correct state sequence to split the PDF accurately. Let's walk through exactly how the system reads and labels each page in this batch.
All right, let's look at the first 3 pages of our scanned sequence. Page 1 is a personal loan application form. The AI looks at this and extracts features like the text application form, maybe a bank logo, and an applicant's signature box. Because of these distinct first-page features, the AI definitively labels this page as a start state. Boom! That marks the beginning of our first logical document. Next is page 2. Now, this is an attached salary slip or bank statement. The extracted features here are very different. It's full of table structures, financial figures, and has 0 signatures. It's clearly a continuation of the loan application package, so the AI labels it as a middle state. Then we hit page 3. This is a copy of the applicant's national ID card. The features are small, visual layouts, a photo, and specific card dimensions. This signals the conclusion of the applicant's core profile, so it receives the end state label. Just like that, we have successfully bounded our first multi-page document. Let's keep moving through the rest of the batch and see how this builds. We are now on page 4, which happens to be a utility bill. The AI detects the word invoice, a utility company logo, a billing address, and a barcode. Now, this isn't connected to the ID card from the previous page, and it doesn't span multiple pages. It is very much a standalone record. Therefore, the system assigns it a single state, seamlessly separating it out into its own one-page document. Finally, we have page 5. This one is a consent letter declaring terms with a signature right at the bottom. Again, this is a completely distinct standalone document, so it is also confidently labeled as a single state.
Now, what's really interesting about the slide is the core problem it hints at. A pretty important question comes up here. You might be wondering, hey, if the AI can extract all these great features like logos and tables, why do we even need to map them as a connected sequence? Like, why not just build a simple classifier that looks at one page, guesses what it is, and then moves on to the next one completely independently?
Well, here's the thing. If we try to classify pages in total isolation, we run into a massive roadblock: high uncertainty. Think back to page 2, that salary slip. If the AI looks at that page all by itself, a probabilistic classifier might be completely confused. I mean, is a table full of financial figures the start of a new financial report, or is it the middle of an ongoing application? Standing alone, it's impossible to know for sure. But by treating the PDF as a connected sequence mapping problem, we instantly resolve this ambiguity. The sequence locks in the accuracy because the AI is forced to look at the surrounding context to make its decision.
So the absolutely crucial point is how the AI enforces this context mathematically. Sequence models, things like conditional random fields or hidden Markov models, calculate what's called a transition probability. For our tricky salary slip on page 2, the system calculates the probability that page 2 is a middle state, given that page 1 was definitively a start state. It essentially uses grammatical-like rules for pages. Think about it. A start page must logically be followed by a middle or an end page. Furthermore, a middle page of a new document literally can't just suddenly appear without a start page preceding it. By enforcing these strict transition probabilities, the sequence model totally eliminates the ambiguity and guarantees a highly accurate global sequence of document structures.
We've seen how transforming document separation from just a series of isolated guesses into a structured sequence mapping problem completely changes the game. By applying mathematical transition rules to a messy 5-page PDF, we effortlessly derived perfectly ordered logical files. But this leaves us with a fascinating question to ponder. If artificial intelligence can learn these grammatical, sequential rules to perfectly parse and organize visual pages, what other chaotic, continuous data streams in our digital world could we instantly organize using the power of sequence mapping? Think about that for a second. Thank you for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.